And welcome to another episode. I hope everybody's well. Okay, so we're gonna do a mint halloumi salad. I love halloumi. I enjoy mint. I was gonna put a bit of tomatoes on there, and we're gonna cut them down a bit in time, I think, the video. So let's get to it. Basically what we've got left is this beautiful halloumi salad with cherry tomatoes, topped off with some seed mix, halloumi cheese, and the mint. I'm excited, I'm hungry, and yeah, thanks for coming. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave some comments about the salad, leave some comments about the video. Tomorrow we're going to be doing a chicken quinoa, sun-dried tomatoes and avocado salad. So that sounds exciting, and I hope to see you all tomorrow again. And yeah, stay cool. Cheers. A lot of the medical professionals that